Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Doesn't really look like Condado today, doesn't it? Happy days. As announced last week, we are today on Camposol. We are on Camposol in Sector D, and I'm showing you today, I think, one of the nicest villas on Camposol on Sector D. That's what I think. It's a two-bed, two-bathroom apartment with an exterior toilet. Happy days. This is really a place which needs your attention. I'm just standing here in front of it in the shade and show you this two-bed, two-bathroom villa. As you can see, the pool is of decent size. It's 5 o'clock at the moment. We have 27 degrees today with the humidity around 75%, so it's quite nice at the moment. And as you can see, it's a tranquil area, tranquil location. And just let me proceed to show you how this property looks like. So, as we said, we are today on Camposol, and I'm showing you a two-bed, two-bathroom property presented to you in another virtual open house by qualityhomescostacalida.com. And just let me walk up here to the main terrace. You will see more terraces now in this viewing, so I will start with the main terrace. As you can see, this is all properly set up here already. In the background, we see Stacy just passing by, and that's the view from the main terrace down onto the pool. Orientation-wise, we are talking southwest. So as you can see, it's now 5 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the UK and in the Canaries, and the sun is just over there, so we have a fantastic sundown overlooking the resort of Camposol. Individual pool, and as you can see, the size of the pool is really great. And I'm showing you today in a virtual open house, two-bedroom, two-bathroom villa on Camposol on its own private plot. As you can see already here, there is a perimeter wall all around the property, which provides privacy, and I think that's quite important that you also have peace in your new dream home here in Spain. But I think it's enough of the words. Just let me show you the inside of this beautiful two-bed, two-bathroom villa on Camposol. And we're just entering the villa. Why do I say apartment? And we are in the living room, just walking in, passing the dining area, and I'm standing here in a massive living room, as you can see, just walking through here. Many details of this property, and I will point out the most important, but I will not have enough time to show you all the details of this property, because we have, for example, just one simple example is central heating. This property boasts of central heating in all rooms. It's an oil-fired heating system, which is perfect for the area we're in. You might say, well, what do I need a heating in the southeast of Spain? In winter, you will be happy to have it, no doubt about. Here we see the dining area, which is conveniently placed just opposite the kitchen, which is a fully operational kitchen with all white goods and appliances you can imagine. Very important, and I think a good detail is the gas stove here, which is Bosch brand, but apart from that, it's a 5-fire gas stove to make sure that your cooking is going to be perfect, as always. Apart from that, we have a large Bosch fridge freezer, we have a washing machine, we have a Bosch dishwasher, all kind of microwave, toaster, you name it, we have it. What we don't see is a water filter, but as you know, all properties sold through Quality Homes Costa Calida, also on Camposol, get a free water filter. Apart from that, you see Rupert the broker here in the mirror, my specialty, as you know, I love him. And we do see here the dining area. Conveniently just connected to the outside terrace, so that's also quite nice in winter sitting out here. That's really beautiful. But having said that, we have to sit out, we have another spot, because the former main entrance to the property, as we see here, has been transformed into a conservatory. That's ideal, especially in, autumn, winter, and spring, because this is heating up quite nicely during the day just due to the sun, and you have a perfect place to stay. It's fully glazed in, has also a ceiling fan, as we see here. I hope you can see that. So that's quite a nice spot here, I have to say. Quiet, all mosquito netting in all windows, so you can open open the sliding doors and you're still protected. And all the blinds up as you can see. And we also see here a glance of the garden. We will see later on more, with two fantastic palm trees. They are not easy to keep, so it's really good to see them here, because many of them have been affected by the palm weevil. So I have to say congratulations to the owner and seller, because they're really perfectly kept. Okay, this was the winter garden or conservatory. There's a small storage unit here, kind of a fitted wardrobe thing. We will see more of that, which also proves that this property is perfectly adapted also to a long-term stay or to a residence, as it is at the moment as well. We have seen the kitchen already. We are now going through the living room and coming to the master bedroom. Just round the corner here, we do have the master bedroom. As we can see already as well, the heating is fitted. We have a small fitted wardrobe, and most important, both bedrooms are as well equipped with air conditioning. The property is on our webpage, and you find it under the reference 3538 on qualityhomescostacalida.com, and the asking price is only 179,750, and includes part of the furnishing and obviously all appliances, white goods, etc. Continuing, we are looking into the master bathroom now, which is conveniently fitted with a mirror that we see Rupert again, and apart from that we have a big bathtub, as well as all other mod cons. Well, you know me, I will not mention them individually, but it's all here what we need. And adjacent to that, we have kind of a storage room, which could be as well used as a dressing room, but it's actually used as storage also for the tools. There's a lot of maintenance in this house has been done, and I have to say it's in pristine condition. We hardly see a property which is top-notch equipped and also that well kept as this villa here on Camposol in Sector D. We were talking about 2 bedrooms, so where's the second bedroom? Up here, there we go. So this is a marble staircase leading up to the first floor. And just let me show you now the second bedroom. Here we go. And here we are. This is the second bedroom now, as well fitted with air conditioning. We do have a nice bathroom towards it and lots of mirrors in this property, as you can see. There we go. To forget. There we go. And it's a decent sized bathroom. Lots of windows, lots of light in here. Again, the heating, central heating. And we continue to another small, or rather said big terrace. As promised, there we go. This is now the terrace from the top floor top floor bedroom. I'm just showing you here the views. Now it's getting a little bit grayish. That's not good. Hey guys, I'm here in a virtual open house. I need the sun, please. Okay, it's coming back in a second, I say. And this would be the view now, overlooking the pool down there and the garden bit, as promised, but we will see it even better than from downstairs. There we go. So great views here on Camposol today on a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. On our webpage, you'll find this property under the reference 3538, and the asking price is only 100,750. So let's walk back into the second bedroom. Here we go. Adjacent to the second bedroom, we do find another small room, which could be used as a dressing room or even as a laundry room, because we found here water supply and waste as well. So this could also be a laundry room in case you think of changing this in the future. As we can see, it's all perfectly done. This is a great aluminium sliding door, most of it double glazed. So we are meeting the standards, I think, here. Excuse me. We have seen the bathroom. Yes. Okay, so we have seen now the interior of this 2-bathroom villa here on Camposol. But let me show you now the outside, because we are sitting on nearly a 600 square meter plot. And let me show you a little bit of the mod cons of this property. So going back to the main terrace, here we are. Isn't this a view? This could be yours. Reference 3538 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. You will find all the details of this property. You will find also lots of pictures. There should be also a 360-degree virtual tour, so you can walk. And I will show you now the outside, the garden, the garage, and the maybe garage. Having said that, this could be a third bedroom even. We have here, just to show you another detail, the outside shower, which is quite handy beside the pool. So that's the outside shower, and on top of that we do see the Quality Homes Costa Calida for sale flag. Apart from that, I wanted to show you the garden and not the for sale flag. Here we go. So this is now the easy to maintain garden bit. All plants are autochthonous, so they need very little water. And as you can see here, this can also be lit at night and gives a beautiful feeling here. It's a little bit like a pineapple standing up, no? It's really great. And as I said, it's easy to maintain because all of it is gravel. So you only have certain specific plants here, but it's all gravel, so there is no problem with irrigation and all that. That's all easy to handle. The property was initially built just for the use of the owners, but circumstances have changed and they have now decided to put the property on the market. Well, after they have done a lot of jobs here, and what we see here is just the driveway. You see here a gate, so you can drive with your car into here. You can either leave it here, because that's perfectly covered. You just go ahead, or, as we said, we have an outside room here, which could be a garage, but could be as well a third bedroom. So this might be an option. And as you can see, also the storage room is also perfectly kept. It's totally clean in here. All is in pristine condition. So this is really something where you just move in. There's nothing to do here. This all looks really very well kept. And as I said, we don't often see a property like that, which is maintained even in the basement. You will see it. So this is just the view on the back garden, as we said. Here is the carport. But let me continue now to the other side of the house to show you a little bit more of what's going on below and the heating and all that. But first, we're just strolling through the gardens. As we said, it's reference 3538 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, and the asking price is only 179,750. Here we go, another glance on the pool. We need the sun, guys. It's actually a little bit cloudy at the moment. It was sunny all day long, but now all of a sudden there is one cloud. There is no cloud over there. Well, there's one, yeah. Thank you. Okay, coming back to this property, reference 3538 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. This is another entrance or exit from the kitchen. Coming down here. And just let me show you also a little bit of the infrastructure here. We are here now in the kind of a basement. And as you can see, all the property has an air chamber below. And here we see the heating. Back there, you see it's an oil heating, which works perfectly and provides a decent heat also in winter. When it's getting a little bit more humid and temperatures are going down, this is really ideal. And as you can see, this is all clean and all perfectly kept and done. So it's really nice to see this. Here we go with the linen laundry, with the drying rack. And there is another storage, and here we go with the gas bottle for the 5-fire kitchen stove. It's all in perfect condition, all pretty well maintained. And we will come back to you as soon as we have an answer from the seller. Is this okay with you? Please. Okay, thank you. Well, coming back to this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa here on Camposol Sector D, where we are today on another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. I wished I could go into the pool now. Unfortunately, I can't because I have my next show at 5:30 in Spanish and at 6 o'clock in German. But still, I maybe jump in after the German show. The water is still warm. We are talking 27, 28 degrees for the water, not outside. Outside it's about 27, 28. So, and here we have another spot. You have maybe seen it from the terrace. Here is a beautiful dining area, which is covered, which has a wonderful view overlooking the pool, as you can see. And sitting here, having dinner with friends, or just a gin and tonic, and have a laugh, I think that's a very good spot to stay. So, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this property under the reference 3538 at the asking price of only 179,750, 179,750. To me, a must to view, obviously always without any obligation. Just drop us a line on info@qualityhomescostacalida.com or give us a bell on 0034 868 619 319. Looking forward to your call. I could stay here forever to say. Okay, but I think I shouldn't do that. I should rather say thank you very much for listening today and for watching another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. You find this and many other properties on Camposol, on Condado de Alhama, on El Valle Golf, and in many other areas on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Thank you very much for watching and listening today, and I'm looking forward to see you next week again on another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, bye.